Yeah, now I've shared my screen. Visible to both of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So what you want to do now is, yeah, I'll work the answers to all these 20 questions. So evaluate it, meaning you're going to self-evaluate the answers. Give 1 mark for every correct answer. No marks if it's incorrect. No step marks.
Okay.
1 mark if your 1 mark if your answer is completely right. No step marks. So no marks if it's wrong. So evaluate and we'll see your total at the end of the discussion. So after the class, please share the images on WhatsApp. So for the first one, as a fraction, it is 3 by 25. This is at the fraction. You need to multiply by 100 to convert it to percentage. So the answer is 12%. You need to first find the fraction. Yeah, you need to first find the fraction. So 60 paise over 5 rupees. The units are different. So convert 5 rupees to paise. So it is 60 by 500. Then bring it to the simplest form. So 3 by 25 is the fraction. You need to convert this to a percentage. So multiply by 100. You can also do it directly like this. To convert to percentage or to find percentage, you need to multiply by 100. %. Directly you can do this. So I have first found, in the first working, I have found the fraction. The fraction is 3 by 25 and the corresponding percentage is 3 by 25 into 100, which is 12%. So you can find the fraction and then multiply the fraction by 100 to find the percentage. Or you can directly find the percentage like this. Write the fraction 60 paise by 5 rupees. Write the fraction and multiply by 100 because you want to find the percentage. So this is the answer for the first one.
Ma'am, I wrote this 60 by 100 into 500.
Oh, no. To find percentage, you always multiply by 100. So
But
find
I got 12%. But I got 12%, ma'am.
How can you get 12%? You'd have got 120.
No, I got 12%. I simplified it and then 60. I simplified 60 as 12 into 1.
What have you written? Tell me. 60 by?
100. 60
See,
by 100.
when can you write 60 by 100? When it is 60%. 60% only means 60 by 100. We cannot simply write 60 by 100. 60% is written as 60 by 100. So that's the first mistake. Yeah. But you wrote 60 by 100 into?
500.
Okay. So 60 by 100 into 500. You're getting 300.
Okay.
60 paise is dash percentage of 5 rupees. So 60 paise out of 5 rupees into 100. We multiply by 100 to find percentage. If it was 60%, some different question, and you have 60% in the question, then that is 60 by 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So 50 seconds is dash percentage of 5 minutes. So 50 seconds by 5 minutes into 100. See, if you want to find the fraction and then the percentage, you should just do this first. This is the fraction. 50 seconds by 5 minutes. So that is 50 seconds by 500 5 into 60, 300 seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 5 minutes is 300 seconds. So the fraction is 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 into 100 to find the percentage. 2 3s are 250 times 50 by 3, which is 16, 2 by 3 percentage. This is the fraction. This is the answer for the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay because the first one is wrong. Most probably you would have gone wrong with the second one also. Don't worry, Satakshi. Now you have understood, right?
Ma'am, I got the second one answer right. I don't know. I just 50 multiplied by 100 by 300. And
Okay, I don't know if you worked with understanding or not. So it is like this. It is 50 seconds out of 5 minutes. When you do that,
yes, ma'am.
you'll get the fraction. And when you multiply the fraction by 100, you'll get the percentage.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Twenty-five, how many times in 600? This is the fraction. Percentages. So 6 times, 4, 25 times. So 25 by 6, which is 1 by 6%. %75. So here it is 75 by 100. 75%. So 75 by 100. Of into 4 kgs. But the answer should be expressed in grams. So we'll convert this to grams. 4,000. Simplify this. 75% means 75 by 100. Of stands for multiplication. And it's 4 kgs. But since we have to answer in grams, we'll convert kilograms to grams. Correct?
Yeah.
Okay, next one. 0.6% meaning 0.6 by 100. Of is multiplication. 2 liters. But the answer must be expressed in milliliters. So we'll convert liters to milliliters. 1 liter is 1000 milliliters. So 2 liters is 2000 milliliters. 6 to the 12. So you get 120, but decimal point. So it is 12. 6 into 2 is 12. Then that's 0. So 120. But when you place the decimal point, it's 12. So 12 milliliters. 350 grams is dash percentage of 4.5 kilograms. So this one is 350 grams. You'll have to find the percentage. So you should multiply by 100. To find percentage, you should multiply by 100. So 350 grams out of 4.5 kilograms. To convert this fraction to a percentage, multiply by 100. So you can also find the fraction first and then multiply by 100. So it is 350 grams by 4,500 grams. 5 7 times 5 nines are 45, 90. So 7 by 90. The fraction, see actually the grams, this also will get cancelled. So the fraction is 7 by 90. And the corresponding percentage is 7 by 90 into 100. So it is 70 by 9. 9 sevens are 63. 7 by 9%. Seventh one. Out of 25,000 voters in a town, 75% voted. Find the number of voters who did not vote. So percentage voted is equal to 75%. So percentage did not vote is equal to 100 minus 75, 25%. So 25% did not vote. Out of 25,000 voters in a town, so total number of voters, 25,000. 75% voted, 25% did not vote. So we need to find the number of voters who did not vote. So number of voters who did not vote is 25% of the total 25,000. What percentage did not vote? 25% of the total. 25% of 25,000. Or you can also find 75% of 25,000. That number will be the number of voters, meaning the number of people who voted. Then 25,000 minus that answer will give you the number of voters who did not vote. We'll do it both the ways. My screen is visible, right? I've shared my screen, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the images are on WhatsApp. Any clarifications with this answer?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you can, if 75% voted, it means 25% did not vote. So to find the number of people who did not vote, find 25% of the total 25,000. 25% means 25 by 100 off into 25,000. So it gives you the answer straight away. Or you can find 75% of 25,000. So that is the number of people who voted. Then you should subtract 25,000, the total voters, minus 18,750 will give you the number of people who did not cast their vote. Find the whole quantity if 35% of it is 25. Find the whole quantity. So we don't know the whole. So let the whole quantity be X. So 35% of that whole quantity X is 25. 35%, always here it should be the whole thing of the total only. After, after of, it is always the total here. After of, it should always be the total here. So the total is the total or the whole we don't know. So let's take it as X. So 35% means 35 by 100 of multiplication. X is equal to 25. So X is equal to 25 into 100 by 35. You can also simplify and then transpose. 5, 7. So 500 by 7. So 7 sevens are 49, 1 remains, 7 ones are 7, 3 remains. Okay, in the options we have 500 by 7, so I think we can stop there. You don't have to change this to a mixed fraction. 500 by 7 is the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If a number is increased from 20 to 30, then the increase percentage is. Satakshi, we've learned this last year because Tanya and Danya, they had it for their exam, so they remember. I don't know if you were able to recall from last year.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I don't remember.
Yeah, okay. See, this is the formula. Increase percentage is equal to increase
30
by
minus 3, right?
increase by original. Increase in value by original value multiplied by 100. So what's the increase in value from 20 to 30? So the increase is 10. by the original. What was the original? From 20. So original was 20. From 20, it became 30. So original is 20 into 100. Increase is 10 by the original is 20 into 100. So it's 50. Understood now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The ratio of Julie's income to her saving is 8:2. The percentage of money saved by her is. Income to saving is 8:2. Income is 8 portions. Savings is 2 portions. Your income is a total, right? Income is all the money you get. Income. That is 8. So from your income, you can spend, or meaning the two parts of the income are you spend and you save the remaining. Whatever is left after spending is your savings. So spend is not given. So save is 2 parts. So spend is 6 parts, correct? Income to savings. Income to savings. Income. Income is you spend and you save the remaining. So what's your income here? 8. And you save 2. So you spend 6. 6 parts. 2 parts. 8 parts is the income. Now we need to find the percentage of money saved by her. Yeah, Tanya, answer this.
2 by 8 into 100.
Correct. So percentage of savings is equal to savings by the income into 100. Savings by income into 100. Income is 8 parts. Savings is 2 parts. So savings 2 parts by the income 8 parts, because income is a total. The total money you have is your income into 100. 4 2 times, 4 25 times. 2 cancels. So 25% she saves.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Yeah, Satakshi, actually, I want you to acknowledge at the end of every answer, because the other two girls, they have already learned this, and, like, they've completed their exam. So you need to tell me, because this is the ongoing chapter for you. You need to tell me if you understand, or if I should explain once again.
Ma'am, I understood, but I added 8 and 2. And then,
Yeah,
so
correct.
I got 20%.
Correct. Yeah. So that's why I wrote the formula for you. See here? Savings by always the total. Savings by total into 100. So savings is
ma'am.
2 parts. And total is your income. And that income is 8 parts already there. So you should not add here. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll just discuss all the answers in the wind of the session for today. In a school, 45% of students are girls. If there are 110 boys in the school, then the total number of students in the school is 45% are girls. Number of girls, we don't know, X. 55% are boys. Because 100 minus 45. Total is 100%. So out of 100%, 45% are girls. So 100 minus 45, 55% are, no, I don't know what I said, sorry. Total is 100%. So out of this, 45% are girls. So the remaining 100 minus 45, 55% are boys. And number of boys, 110. Which means from this you can construct an equation. When you know both the percentage and the number, you can construct an equation. I'll read the question again. In a school, 45% of the students are girls. So 45% are girls. But number of girls, do we know? No, it's not given. Okay, so X. There are 110 boys. So number of boys, 110. And percentage of boys, 55%. So where you know two things like this, like 55% are boys and the number of boys is 110. So from this information, you can construct an equation. And so you don't need this. You don't need this actually. You can just write 45% are girls and leave that. Because we want percentage and the number. 45% are girls, but number of girls we don't know. So leave that. So 55% are boys and number of boys is 110. So which means 55% of the total strength or the total number of students. 55% of the total number of students is equal to 110. This is the equation. 55% of the class are boys and that is equal to 110. So 55%, meaning 55 by 100, of means multiplication. The total number of students will take as X is equal to 110. So X is equal to 110 into 100 by 55, reciprocally. So 55 ones are 55 twos are. X is equal to 200. So the total number of students in the school is 200. We don't have that option, so maybe, have I made any calculation mistake? Number of boys. Yeah.
I am also getting the same answer.
Yeah, that's what. So there's some problem with the options. We just ignore it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll include that option. Will this change? Just one to two things. Just a minute. Yeah, next one. The salary of a man is rupees 2,40,000 per year. If he gets a hike of 15%, then the new salary per year is. You can do this in two ways. All right.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
So Satakshi, how do you find the profit?
Ma'am, I left these questions 13th one. 13th one.
Okay.
I didn't know the formula and stuff.
Okay. What is the cost price of the toy? 70 rupees. What is the selling price of the toy?
110 rupees.
Okay. So it's purchased for 70 rupees and it's sold for 110. Is it a profit or a loss?
Profit, ma'am.
So profit is SP minus CP. And what is the profit? 40 rupees. And to find the profit percent, the formula is profit by CP into 100. To find percentage, we always multiply by 100. Profit is 40 rupees by the cost price is 70 rupees into 100.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's 400 by 7. 7 5s are 35, 5 remains, 7 7s are 49, 1 by 7. So you purchase something for 70 rupees and sell it for 110. So definitely it's a profit of 40 rupees. So the profit is SP minus CP. And then to find the profit percentage, the formula is profit by CP into 100.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't understand the 14, 15, 16 sum also.
Yeah, we'll do it. What number, when increased by 15%, becomes 230? So what is that number? When it's increased by 15%, it becomes 230. So let the number be x. Now this number x, when you increase it, meaning you add, when you increase it by 15%, so increase it by 15% of x, it becomes 230. Here's the equation. Let the number be x. You increase it by 15% of itself. That's understood. When increased by 15%, meaning 15% of itself. What number when increased by 15%? 15% of what? Of itself. So let the number be x. X is increased by 15% of x. And the resultant number is 230. This is the equation. So x plus 15% means 15 by 100. Of is into x is equal to 230. X plus, you can simplify 5 3 times, 5 20 times. 3x by 20 is equal to 230. LCM 20x plus 3x is equal to 230. 23x by 20 is equal to 230. So x is equal to 230 into 23 by 20 becomes its reciprocal on the other side, 20 by 23. So 23 ones are 20 tens are. So x is equal to 200.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
And
Okay. Any doubts? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No.
All right. What number when decreased by 50% becomes 500? So again, let the number be x. X or y, whatever variable. Now this number x, when it's decreased by 50% of itself, it becomes 500. Decrease, so minus. So x minus 50% means 50 by 100. Of is multiplication. X is equal to 500. You can simplify. So you get x by 2. 1 into x is x, x by 2. Common denominator. So the number is 1000. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Every month, a lady spends 72% of her income and saves rupees 5,600. What is her monthly income? So income is 100%. Income is 100%. From your income, you spend and you save the remaining. And how much she spends? 72%. So she saves 100 minus 72, 28%. I told you when you know the percentage and the value, you can construct an equation. If you know a percentage and the corresponding value, then you can construct an equation. Income is 100%. You spend and you save the remaining. So the two parts of the income are spend, that is expenditure and savings. You spend, you save the remaining. Spend is 72%. So save is 100 minus 72, 28%. Now, what is 5,600? She saves 5,600. So this one is equal to rupees 5,600. Which means you must say let her income, let the lady's income be X. Let the lady's income be rupees X. 28% of X is equal to 5,600. $5,600 is her savings. And the percentage of savings is 28%. So using this, you can construct an equation. Assume the total to be X. Because after off, you should always write the total, which is the income here. So 28% of the total, that is her income, is equal to 5,600 is the equation. We need to solve this and find the value of X, which represents her income. 28 by 100.
Okay.
Yeah. You can simplify here or you can transpose and then simplify. Anything is fine. I'm just taking it as it is here. So the tables of 7, 7 fours are 28, 7, how many times ma? 7, 7, 7, 8 are 56, right? Oh, it was directly 28 ones are 22, sir. 28 2 times is 56. So 200. So X is equal to 20,000. X is 20,000. So her income, the lady's income is 20,000 rupees.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Understood.
Okay. %12 of a number exceeds 8% of the number by 20. So let the number be x. Second. So let the number be x.
Ma'am, there is no 17th question, ma'am.
Oh. Oh, okay. When I cropped it, okay. I have cropped it with the 17th one. Okay. No, there was, we had all the questions from 1 to 20. While cropping, I've made a mistake. Okay. Okay, I'll just get that question for you in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I didn't realize that at all. Let the number be x. Now, 12% of a number is written like this, 12% of x. Exceeds means is more than. 12% of x is more than 8% of x by 20. This is what is given. 12% of x is more than, exceeds means is more than 8% of x by 20. So it's more than meaning you can construct an equation using, the difference between the two things. So 12% of x minus 8% of x is equal to 20. The first one is more, right? By 20. So the difference is 20. The first one is more by 20. So the difference is 20. Just a minute. Yeah, so it's given that the first one is more than the second one by 20. That means the difference between the two is 20. So 12% is 12 by 100 into x. So I'll just write like this, no? Into x meaning 12x by 100 minus 8 by 100 into x, which means 8x by 100 is equal to 20. Now don't cancel. You can straight away take the common denominator, LCM, which is 100. Don't simplify. So you get 12x minus 8x is equal to 20. 4x by 100 is equal to 20. Let's continue here. So x is equal to 20 into 100 by 4. 4 ones are 4 fives are, x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. What percent of 2 days is 24 minutes. What percent of 2 days is 24 minutes? So you have to find 24 minutes by 2 days into 100 because you'll have to find the percentage. 24 minutes out of 2 days into 100 is to find the percentage. So it is 24 minutes by 1 day has 24 hours. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. And 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So how many minutes in a day? 60 into 24. For 2 days into 2. 1 day has 24 hours. So 24. 2 days into 2. Now this is in hours. Convert this to minutes. So into 60. That's all. You don't have to multiply. You can just write it like this. I'll write it again for you. One day, 24 hours. 2 days into 2. This is in hours, but you'll have to convert this to minutes. And 1 hour as 60 minutes. Into 100.
Okay.
Yeah. Into 100. So it's like the minutes and minutes gets cancelled. 24 cancels. And then the 0 and 0. And then 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So I can see 5 and 6. 5 by 6%. 5 by 6%. Correct? Both of you? Understand?
Yes,
Ma'am,
miss.
I answered, but I didn't write that question.
You answered it? No, I didn't
No,
get
ma'am.
this actually.
No, ma'am, I didn't answer it, but I understood now.
Okay, fine. Nice. If 25% of a number is added to 45, then the result will be the number itself. Then what is a number? So just follow the instruction there. 25% of a number is added to 45. Something is added to 45. So actually, you must write 45 first. Because something is added to 45. 25% of a number is added to 45. So there is 45 and 25% of a number, so x, is added to 45. And the result is the number itself, that is x itself. Let the number be x. So there is this number 45. And 25% of a number, of a different number, not 25% of 45. 25% of a number is added to 45. So let that number be x. 25% of x is added to 45. So 45 plus 25% of x. And the answer is a number itself. That means it's equal to x. So let's solve this. 45 plus 25 by 100 into x is equal to x. So 45 plus, you can cancel 1, 4. So you get x by 4 is equal to x. LCM 180 plus x is equal to x. Cross multiply 180 plus x is equal to 4 into x, which is 4x. So 180 is equal to 4x minus x. 180 is equal to 3x. Or you can write 3x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 by 3, which is 60. So that number is 60. That number is 60.
Okay, ma'am. I got the equation correct, but my working was wrong.
Okay. Now, do you have a clash between what I have worked and what you have worked, or you're clear now? Or you still feel like your method, what you have simplified, is correct?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I understood your method. Your method is better. Like mine is wrong. The equation was right.
Correct. Okay, okay. Then you didn't carry forward the equation correctly. Okay. 25% means 25 by 100. Off is into x. And you can cancel. So you get x by 4. Then take the common denominator. It's 45 by 1. It's 45 by 1. So it is 1 into 4. Into 4. So 180 plus x by 4. Here it is into 1. 4 into 1 is 4. Here 1 into 4. So you need to multiply 45 by 4 and x by 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Because LCM, yeah. Then cross multiply and yes. Any questions, both of you?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. If we had time, I would find the 17th question and do it now. But since it, I've held you, for 35 minutes more, I don't want to delay anymore. Okay. Being a holiday, I'm not sure if you even had your breakfast. So I'll wind up the session. I'll pick the 17th one for you in the next class and work it. All right, children. Thank you for joining. See you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.